Yes, I guess we can start.
All right. So good evening, and yeah.
Good evening.
So this is the training program that I have for you. So we'll be completing the course in 20 to 22 hours. Okay, and we'll be discussing in detail about step-by-step analysis and also the utilization of the tool, and especially the purpose of the tool and the real-time usage, like when and where we need each and every transformation of the tool to be utilized. So I'll be looking at these aspects step by step. So first let us today talk about the introduction, and let us see like how this tool is created, what is the history of this tool, because I believe we could not complete the demonstration when we were taking earlier. So I will try to complete the demonstration, as well as we will look at step by steps, and we'll look at the history of data services, how it came into picture, what are the previous versions, what is the current version, and what are the future enhancements that will be utilized in data services, and what is the future of data services. And
I guess
yeah, Kofi.
I seem to lose you after a while. I don't know why, but I lose you, and then I don't hear some of the things you say.
Uh, uh, Let me check with the other guy. Krishna, how is it? Are you able to hear me properly, or? Hello? Just a second, Coffee. I'll check with the other guy as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. He pings me saying that he is able to listen to me properly without any breaks. So let us see that once again, and let us see if. So by the way, are you connecting through a broadband connection?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, Coffee.
Uh-huh.
Are you connecting through a broadband or through a data card?
Yes. Broadband connection.
It's a broadband connection, right? Then it should not be a problem. Because the other guy who is also in the call, he says that it's clear and good for him. So let us try it once again.
Okay. If not, I'll probably call in with my phone.
Yeah, that would be good, I guess.
Okay. So are we gonna allow? Are we going to record this, or this will be recorded and made available to us?
Yeah, it's already being recorded.
Okay.
Right, so if you have any problem related to voice, so you can try dialing into the number, and let us see if that gets resolved.
Yes, I think I still have the same problem, but I'm just gonna call in then.
Okay.
Hey, Rakesh.
Yeah, coffee.
What's the audio pin?
Uh, just a second.
The audio pin? I don't have the audio pin.
It's not in the email. I'm checking the email. Just give me a second. It's shown after joining the meeting. Then
If you stop showing your screen, the audio pin will show up.
okay.
So just stop showing your screen.
Can you see that now?
No,
I already stopped my screen.
but I can still see your screen.
That's
Okay,
not
great.
possible.
Wait 1 second. It just came up. Give me 1 second. Let me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let me share my screen again. All right. So you can see my screen.
Not yet. I think there's a lag. I don't know, but
Yeah, that's what I see.
yeah, I see it now.
Okay. Good. Alright, so as I was telling, we'll be looking at a little history because we could not cover that in the demonstration. So we'll try to complete that initially. And we will try to have a little introduction and details and fundamentals about data services, its origin, and how it came into picture, what is the need of data services, even though when we have so many ETL tools which are like big bosses in the market. So why do we need something like data services and all? So we'll look at these uh, interaction parts, and then once we look at the interaction of data services, we will look at the tool and what are the different tools that are present along with data services, and we will look at different regions like why is it called like this and what are the use of this. So we'll look at the different tools of data services and their it's like a familiarity with the tool, and once we are done with that, we will try to create our own local repository and start working with this tool, right? So yeah, if you look at business objects, data services, so BODS, it is also called as BODS. So BODS stands for Business Objects Data Services. So it's an entity of business objects. So business objects is broadly divided into two categories. One is data services and the second one is enterprise. So enterprise stands for reporting, where we have Excel, CS, Crystal, Webby, and all these reporting tools along with the semantic layer like Universe. So that is a complete reporting layer, and the second one is ETL layer, which is extraction, transformation, and loading. Right. So how does it get noticed, and why data services came into picture, even though we have so many ETL tools like Informatica, we have SAP BI, we have Oracle standard tools for extraction, transformation, and loading, and we have SQL in which you can do extraction, transformation, and loading. But why data services? Why data services came into picture? So there is something called Gartner online survey, which gives you uh, a survey about each and every software that is present in the market and where it is now and its existence and the key features of data services. So Business Objects was given life by Gartner, and it gave a survey around 2097 saying the presence of business objects in the market. So what happened initially? it Business objects has a very unique feature, like it can establish a connection to any system, let it be a flat file, let it be a .dat format file, or let it be an Excel file, let it be a SQL system, Oracle system, SAP system, Oracle ERP system, let it be any source system or target system. The first thing, the advantage of business objects is it can directly establish a connection. It does not require any connectors or ODBCs to communicate with the source and the target systems. And the second thing is business objects is designed in such a way, it is built on SOA architecture. SOA stands for service oriented architecture, and it is built in such a way that it will not hold even a single record on its memory. So every time it runs the job, the data flows in, gets converted, and flows out of the business objects data services too. So it is built in such a way that the execution of the job, so the transformation of the data happens pretty fast. Okay, so that is the second advantage of data services. And the most important advantage, good of all, is the third advantage, wherein you know you have built-in transformations. So there is no need for you to design any code. There is no need for you to write complex queries. There's no need for you to write tough business logics. You can utilize the built-in transformations within data services, and you